Welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa Ray here. Today I'm just showing y'all how I pick my hair into a bigger fro than before, because right after a wash and go it be all flat and stuff, but you know we don't like flat curls, we like big voluminous curls, and that's what I'm bringing you today. So this is day 1 hair though, so after, you know, like day 2 obviously it's going to get a lot bigger, and that's what we want, but this is just what I have for now, and I'm showing y'all exactly how I did it. This is a wash and go, by the way, and I do have a previous updated wash and go that I have for my hair when it's cut like this, and I will tag that up here so that y'all can check it out. Make sure you do that. And yeah, y'all, if you want to see how I got my hair to be more bigger and, you know, just a little bit all over my head, then make sure you keep watching, okay? Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at marissa.w, here on the screen and down below in the description. So if you want to check out how I got the volume, then just keep watching. Okay, so I am about to pick my hair. Let me just take it out of this scarf. This is how I slept. Like, I literally just washed my hair last night. I did my normal wash and go routine, which I will actually tag that video up here in the little tags or whatever, so that y'all can see how I do my wash and go now. And I just like put my hair up like this and dried it so that it could, you know, be dry and all nice and stuff. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. Looks a little bit crazy, right? It's so defined and so cute, which is great. But we need volume. We need volume. So first thing I like to do after taking it like out of my scarf, I just go through and like just kind of fluff it out with my hands. That's number 1. Use your hands for as much as you can with your hair instead of anything else. Just use your hands. It makes my hair look so short. Ugh. Because of how my curls are. So I just like to fluff it out like this as much as possible. Okay. And try to like separate the curls, because they are so just all together. Alright. So the curls are kind of separated. Well, I kind of fluffed it out as much as I could, right? The trick to the volume, which I'm still kind of learning, I'm still trying to, you know, perfect this, but you need to pick a nice pick. I always just use this plastic one. I know there are metal ones, but I've never used a metal pick before. I've only used a plastic one. So when you pick your hair, you want to go from the root, like inside your hair. I like to pull it, go from the root, and then like pull it out. Like, just keep pulling it out, right? Like that. And lift it up, like out and up, out and up, out and up, like so. And see how it already starts to look bigger? That's what you want. So we're just gonna do that throughout the whole head. Literally just pick from the root and pull out. Try to be careful because you don't want to like disturb your curls, but literally all this is just manipulating your hair until you get the desired look, like until you get the look that you want. It's no perfect way to do it. Maybe there is, I just haven't figured it out yet. But I like to kind of get the middle of it too, because it, you know, I like volume. I like the fluffiness of my hair. So I be picking all up in here, just not at the very ends, like just mainly all through here. And of course, being able to wear your hair like this in a fro helps if your hair is cut in the right way as well. And if y'all haven't seen that video of mine, I will tag that up here as well. The video on how I gave myself basically just a DIY diva cut. I've been looking here instead of looking here. My apologies. A DIY diva cut. So again, I'll tag it up there so y'all can see it. And don't forget to check out my updated wash and go with my new cut. Now I'm just waiting for my hair to grow out into the shape that I want, you know? Well, no, not grow out into the shape I want. I got the shape I want, but grow out into the what am I trying to say? The length that I want, because it was so long, but of course I cut it because it needed it. But now we gotta get that length back. I don't care how much frizz I get. I don't mind the frizz. Frizz is what makes the fro. You know what I'm saying? So don't be mad at frizz. Frizz makes the fro. See, look at how it's already starting to look. You got this side. You got this side all flat and I ain't even done yet, okay? So let me finish. Sometimes this could take to, I don't know, maybe like 15 minutes, 20 minutes of doing this just to make sure it looks how you want. Why it look like my hair is shorter? I don't know what's up. Okay, but yeah, so I'm just gonna do this, start doing this side as well. The front for me is kind of the hardest to manipulate, I guess. I don't know why. But I definitely like to go in and like unravel, because see how some of the curls just clump together all like that? Yeah, definitely want to pull those apart. And I'm pretty certain my hair is dry, because it was pretty much almost 100% dry last night, because I just blow dried it. I literally just blow dried it all over and like scrunched my hands like that. And yeah, I just did that because I wanted it to be dry. And when I noticed that whenever I say, like when I do my hair the night before, right? When I do my wash and go the night before, but it's late, like last night it was late, it was like 9 o'clock. That's obviously not enough time to let my hair dry. Definitely not. But what I did was, look at how all this curl is just all together. What the heck? I need to separate that, because that hair is, it's just all together. What the heck? Need to separate that. Okay, but yeah, so like I blow dried it so that I would know for sure it would be dry, and it was almost 100% dry last night, so I figured it should definitely be dry this morning. Definitely. And mind you, first day hair of doing this, it still may not look as big as you want. For me personally, it don't be looking as big as I want. But I always have to remember this is day one. So, you know, with natural hair, your hair gets bigger and fuller as the days go by. So, as the days go by, as you, whoa. As the days go by and as you know, wear your hair out, it's gonna definitely get bigger and better. So yeah, and I'm just trying to separate everything. And again, I don't mind the frizz. I do not mind frizz. In fact, I would like frizz. The reason I like frizz is because frizz gives you volume. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I will like do something different to the front, because sometimes the front may not turn out how I want it to turn out. And my hair, I don't know, since cutting it and it's like really healthy right now, it always shrinks up so much. Like, look at this. Look at where my hair is, right? And we go all the way out to here. Like, come on. You know what I'm saying? It shrinks so freaking much. So, but what can I say? But I'm doing this just not even in no perfect uniform way, because again, I want it to be full. Everything definitely, it gets better as the days go by though, for sure. And you just pick it, just start picking it how you can. You know, just keep doing it till it looks how you want it to look. Because mind you, I like definition, but baby, the volume is what does it for me. It's the volume for me. You know what I mean? It's definitely the volume for me. So see, it's starting to look a whole bunch more fro-y, right? You can tell. Probably need to do the back a little bit more though, because don't forget to that. Oh yeah, that's another thing. Please don't forget to pick the back of your head, because people see the back of your head even though you can't. And I don't know, we be forgetting that, but remember, the back of your head gotta look good too. Make sure it ain't looking flat or crazy, you know, all that. All right, so it's starting to go the direction I want, but we're not quite there yet. So I'm gonna keep picking it until I just get my desired look, you know, and separating curls. And it's so moisturized, so I can literally feel the moisture. But see how all these curls, they be all clumped together? I want to kind of undo the clumpness, but of course keep the definition on the very tips of my hair, of course, you know. Of course. All right, y'all. So let me go see my hair in like the big mirror. I want to see what it's really looking like, and then I will be right back, okay? Okay, so I think we're looking for the most part pretty good right now. Definitely wanted to get bigger, but you know, this is day one, so it's gonna be a little bit like flatter. It's not gonna, you know, poof up as much, but for the most part I think it's looking really good. So I'm just gonna do my finishing touches, put on my clothes, my jewelry, and then I will be right back. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I finished picking it. I didn't really do much more. I hope y'all could just tell what I did in the beginning. It's really the same thing. I just picked it and, you know, just got it into a bigger looking fro. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and definitely subscribe. Y'all know this. Subscribe, okay? Yes, and subscribe for the volume. Like the volume, okay? This is that. And yeah, really easy. Don't forget to click the other videos and check out my videos down in the description box. Also, follow your girl on Instagram at marissa.w. It'll be here on the screen and down below in the description box as well. So that's all I got for y'all today. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.